So we're here at the Whirlpool booth with Anna from Whirlpool. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning.
And show us this new Whirlpool Wealth Design washer and dryer. Love the look of these.
Thank you. Yes, definitely great updated aesthetics on here. You can call out all of the great features we have in yellow. We've highlighted them to make it really easy for the customers to see. So we've got dry drum cycle with a fresh flow vent system. Gonna make sure your dryer is, or your washer is dry after your cycle, so you're not having any of that wetness.
Yeah, so mold will help be eliminated with that dry drum cycle, right? Okay, cool.
Yes, and then we also call out our antimicrobial gasket. Also, that freshness story, we're playing a lot into freshness with this model. So
yeah, because on a front loader, most customers complain that they have that mold built up in here. They have that odor, so that'll eliminate that.
Exactly.
Great feature.
Yep. So those are really the call outs with the fan fresh and the dry drum. Make sure you're gonna have that freshness story with the Whirlpool updated aesthetics. Yeah.
Yeah, even the PA guy's excited about this washer, right? He's talking all about it, but go ahead.
Those are really the main points.
Okay, so soap cup really hasn't changed. Pretty straightforward, right?
Very straightforward. You can open the door with the new one, so you're not worried about the door hitting this.
Great. So, yeah, awesome.
Yes.
And like I said, I do like the aesthetics on this. This is a nice, clean look.
Yeah.
And I love this color. What's this color?
This is Radiant Silver. So we're launching this in Radiant Silver, and we'll also have it available in other colors as well, black and white.
Okay.
So.
And on the dryer, what's new on the dryer?
Yep, so we've got a steam refresh. Again, we've got these yellow call-outs for the customers. Steam refresh in case anyone is not doing their laundry the entire time and want to refresh their clothes without having to do a whole new cycle. We've got a steam. There's a steam valve actually inside that you'll see. It's also highlighted in yellow. So we've got that steam, back there. Calling that out, again, freshness story. We're gonna refresh your clothes. You're not gonna have to do a whole new load of laundry.
So if by chance we leave the show, we go to Hibachi for lunch and we smell like hibachi. We can put those clothes in and refresh it.
Yep, you're not gonna be wrinkled either, so you'll be ready for the show afterwards.
Perfect, great.
Yep.
Thank you for showing us these machines.
Of course.
We'll take a look at some other ones here in a second.
Great.